but again.
You only want to go. You only want to go one time? Ngek.
But
But?
no, I want to go two times.
Oh.
Osaka is so many things that to do.
Oh, are you itchy? We are ready, everyone. Ready for Japan. Super early. Mag-say bye na po tayo kay April Select and family. Andito po sila sa Tower 2. Nag-rent din po sila ng condo dito. Mag-ihag mo si Lola Ep, si Ate Shan, si Kuya Pio, and Kuya Bibikong, and Kuya Marlon. Because we will say goodbye because we're going to Japan, okay?
Are you guys coming?
Yeah, we'll
baba
wait
na lang daw kayo
them
dito
here,
sa
mahal.
entrance kayo.
See you again, Dai, pagbalik namin. Love them, you love them.
Ingat ka rin siya.
Dai, ito, Dai. Di ba ang pinda ka? Si Pio ba? Pinda ka. Si palaman niya tapos ito ilagay niya sa on top. Yan, ganyan ang Dutch way. Bye-bye guys. Love you today.
Salamat. Hindi na kayo balik dito, Nog.
Bye-bye. Tingnan niyo ang nanay ko. Nag-jogging pa. Gitian. Tara guys. Dali na, Rich. Dali na.
Yung isa.
Doon na punta. Bye-bye, Dai. Bye-bye, guys. Love you, girl. Bye-bye. Saan naman eh? Oh, dancing man. Uy, pagka-happy ba going to Japan? Diyos ko! Huh? Tingnan mo si Mang. Mang is there exercising. You see that? Ngek. What is Mang doing?
So, what will you do today? Paperwork.
Exercise.
So, you're going back to Samar?
Exercise, yes.
We running to the street.
Yeah, running to the street. Very good of you.
Like this. This.
Kapoy-kapoy lang talaga ba?
Daddy go like this. This. Daddy go like this.
Excited ang
Gano.
You're so happy, ah. Excited.
Love mo.
Game ka doon, ha? Always hold mama, ha?
Nag-hold na gani, oh.
Kung kailangan ng pera, magsabi lang.
Bye tayo. Ingat tayo.
Daniel, bye.
Hindi kayo. Ito yung sa kanila.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Sabi mo, bye-bye ka mo.
Enjoy kayo, enjoy.
Bye-bye. Naka-check-in na po kami. Dito po tayo kakain. Meron to silang mga corned beef dito. You want corned beef? Oh, what do you have in there? That is corned beef with egg. Si Derich ayaw kumain kaya chow fan yan kaninang madaling araw.
Did they give your egg to me?
Yeah. You've got
And
no
with
eggs.
rice.
And with rice.
Hi guys, I am going to be chocolate and rice.
Yes.
You already subok.
You need to do that to our dog.
Not so, like that. Not
That
so.
is so funny.
Now you eat, ha? Guys, may nakakita pa na subscriber sa amin sa CR. Grabe si Ma'am, hinalik-halikan niya talaga kami ni Nathan. Thank you so much, Ma'am. Mag-thank you ka tayo, Ma'am. Thank you, Ma'am. Naghihintay na lang kami ng boarding, guys. Boarding time.
Hi guys, friends. You're not waiting.
Ngek. We're still waiting. Sabihin mo. Ilayo mo konti. Like that, like that. Sabihin mo. Hi, guys.
I got I'm not still waiting.
We are still waiting.
Ah.
You're funny. Dahil na, i-vlog mo doon yung Ipakita mo sa kanila. Dali na, oh. You hold the camera and then you vlog. Show them something there. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Black. Black.
Nalipong na. Nalipong na sila. They are lipong now. Yahoo! We're going to Manila! Yes, yes, yo! Who is excited? No one? Grabe ka, antok. Pagod masyado. Kulang sa tulog. Hindi masyado comfortable yung tulog namin kagabi, pati si Daniel. How about you? Did you sleep well last night?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Pababa na tayo. Ayaw pa rin magising. Grabe ang anak ko guys. Ang panganay ko, tinatanong ko kung bakit ang eroplano nag-akyat. Parang nag-akyat na naman kami pa kasi di ba pa-take off na. Alam niya anong sagot. Gusto talaga mag-pilot ito. Alam niya anong gawin namin ngayon. Maghintay kami. Kay gusto niya magpa-picture sa cockpit. Magpaalam po. Tapos maghintay na makalabas lahat ng tao para makapapicture siya. Muntik ba hindi makasama. Kaya nag-away kami. Rich, no? Muntik ka hindi makasama. Ikaw. Ikaw ba? Kaya matigas ang ulo mo. Sige, picture. Hintayin pa natin na makalabas lahat ng tao. Sana payagan po kami kung isa yun. Sana naman, pagod na pagod. Gising na. We're going down. Hindi siya makapapicture guys. Kasi pagsakay ng bus. So kailangan po namin magmadali. Kasunod na lang. Madami pa mga plano ko yung nasakyan namin. Ayan, mag-bus po tayo. Thank you, Lord.
Lord.
You know, mahal, we need a lot of money because the rich needs to be a pilot. Pati si Daniel manghang-mangha sa kanya. May marinig lang siya konti. Magsabi na siya, ma, ano yan siya, ma? Sabi ko, ikaw na lang magpalipad, Rich. Pero muntik talaga yan sa hindi makasama. Kay kahapon, lalis. Nag-argue kaming dalawa ba? Na ano man siya, na okay man ang ugali niya. Pinagsabihan niya siya doon sa bahay na ayusin mo ang ugali mo pag nandun kayo sa Japan para hindi kayo mag-argue ng nanay mo. Alam nyo naman, binata ba, tigas ang ulo. Tapos pinagsasabihan ko, basta simple lang masyado ng ano namin kahapon guys, dahil lang sa damit. Pero tingnan nyo, ngayon, mabait na siya. Siyempre hindi ko yan iiwan guys. Who is excited to go to Mario? Gusto niya na masyado ngayon, sabi niya. Why do you want to go to Mario today when we are in Japan? It's very late, it's dark, and then Mario is sleeping. I told you we're going there tomorrow and you can see Mario. What will you eat in the Mario world? What will you eat there? The burger with a lot of vegetables?
No.
Ngak. What then?
The arrow.
The arrow box? Okay, let's find that there.
Written box.
Oh yeah, with the box. And what's inside?
Inside is a mushroom.
Mushroom? You
But
want to eat?
it's not a mushroom.
It's
but-
like a cake mushroom?
But no, it's not a mushroom. It's a flower. It's a candy flower.
Malala yung kamot niya dito sa Pilipinas. Guys, kung makita nyo lang likod ni Nathan, tingnan nyo, kamot niya yan. Ewan, saan yan siya na allergy. Basta ganyan niya. Pag mapawisan lang siya kunti, magkamot siya. Still sleepy. Diyos ko, Lord. Nag-sleep na naman si Nathan.
Alinang alinang
Ayaw niya sabihin ng word kay sabi ko sa kanya, don't sing that here ha, a lot of people. Hindi ko siya tinuruan ng
yung balik sa niya with Spanish na beloved.
Don't say that here, baby love. Don't say that here. A lot of people, this is public, you cannot say that here. Hindi ko siya tinuruan na siya, bigla lang siya kumanta. Pero sinabihan ko na siya kanina, wag niya kantahin parang kantahin niya na bigla sana sa babas. Sabi ko, don't say the word, baby love.
Can I say
Sige, you can say that. What do you want to say? Kadami ko ng kalaban, no? Itong isa. Ito, nagdagdag pa ito, oh. Bago lang kami nagkaano na naman. Tingnan nyo, pakiskis na. Kay nakasalanan.
Kiss na? Okay.
Ade.
Give me kiss,
What are
give me
you
kiss.
saying? What did you say?
I said sorry.
Ito na naman ang sunod, oh.
Bigyan naman.
Ay naku, mga lalaki sa buhay ko. Ikaw na naman ang magpainis kay mama mamaya. Ikaw na naman. Tapos na si kuya, tapos si papa, tapos ikaw na naman, ha? Huwag matigas ang ulo mo, ha?
If I will use the superpower, you will not sleep. You will not sleep, okay?
yes?
My superpower worked because Nathan didn't sleep.
And the other one.
Okay, if I use the superpower, you will sleep, okay?
La 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 la.
Wow, kadami na palang makainan dito, guys. Naghanap pa ng makainan, nakapag-check-in na po kami. Ganda ng bagong food hall po nila dito. Pero mag-Kenny's kami. Kenny Rogers. Okay na guys, nakapag-order na tayo.
Want to try?
Si Daniel, iba ang trip niya. Popeyes daw siya. What's inside, Val? Just chicken? Chicken burger?
Hey, pastors, they did not give me my sauce.
No.
I paid extra for that.
Yeah?
Some.
Oh, I want to try. Masarap masyado ang fries nila, in fairness. Anghang-anghang.
Ano nila bang manok mahang?
Maanghang ganit. Popeyes guys.
Manghang siya.
First time ko, Popeyes. Ano?
Kain naman ako.
Sarap. Binalikan niya yung sauce niya kasi binayaran niya po yun. Tama nga naman siya.
Ketchup is very nice.
Yeah? Because you paid for that extra?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right. So, it's your first time, mahal, Popeyes?
Oh, I like it. This is so much better than KFC.
I think you're just hungry. It's just good. But I like the sauce. In fairness sa sauce.
Super crunchy.
Order ni Derich, guys. This one, the chicken you want? Okay. And for me and Nathan, favorite, mac and cheese. Later, okay? This one first. The chicken. With rice or with this one too? Kain everyone. Diyos ko, kabusog. Ang dating po natin sa
30 minutes left.
Japan is mga mag-alas 7 na. Kaya kumain na ako ng marami guys. Kaya baka may itlog yung mga ano nila doon pagkain sa plane. Ka-Japan siya oh. Nakalabas na immigration oh. Patingin daw eh. Nag-smile siya guys. Papunta na kami kanila Nathan. Ito na nga, naiwan kami doon. Nauna si Daniel at saka si Nathan. Kasi kailangan pala ng i-travel ni Derich na kaya hindi garnet ninyo Dutch passport na ba guys. So sa foreign passport kaya ako nagpila. Travel tax din, nakaahiwas na po tayo. Hindi na po ako nagbayad ng travel tax. Kay Dutch na ang passport natin. Final call na guys, gasyong. Ay! Laban lang. Final call na guys. First time nangyari na. Akala ko nagjo-joke lang si Derich na final. Ay, wakas. Nathan. Sabi pa, ma, final ko na. Tapos si Nathan at si Derich umiihi. Narinig yung si Nathan kanina. Faster, faster. Oh, the plane. Oh. First time nangyari sa amin yung ganyan, guys. Na ma-final ko na.
They're always delayed.
Mahal, I was telling Derich, you're pranking me. Tapos gipicturean niya. Pinicturean niya, pinakita sa akin. Come here.
It's so far. If I
Not eat anymore, only 1 hour in advance, huh?
Kumain kasi kami, guys.
banana.
That's all for you. That's a big one. So, yummy or not? Is it yummy? Turbulence, guys. Oh my God. Now, you like it?
Yes, the turbulence. I get the turbulence.
Don't love. Lord, sabi mo, Lord. Sana.
Sana makan si mama.
Kasi magaling si Ma. Sana.
Sana.
Safe trip. Okay?
And then,
Grabe ang turbulence, guys. Bababa na kasi kami tapos maulap masyado. Pero okay lang, okay, normal. Normal man yan. Normal lang yan siya. That is normal, baby love. You don't need to be scared, okay, of turbulence. That is normal.
turbulence again.
Kasi bilat again. Lord. Bakit ka nakasmile? You feel it? Nasa clouds na naman kami. Hineli ng turbulence yan. Nakatulog. Thank you, Lord! Osaka!
Why not yet downstairs?
Because we need to wait.
I love you, you love me. We are happy family, and you gave me a funny. Love you, say you love me.
Excited ako para kay Derich, guys, kasi first time niya po sa
Hello.
winter. 12 degrees po doon ngayon.
Hello, Papa. Papa. Almost there, guys. My there, guys. Look at this, what I think.
Big hindi. Alam niyo anong sabi niya? Hoy, alam niyo anong sabi niya?
Mas piliin ko manigas kaysa maningot.
Sabi niya, kaya niya daw magchinelas dito. Kaya sabi ko malamig.
Ko manigas kaysa maningot.
Parang merong aircon sa labas. Ha? First time yung sa winter, kaya excited ako as a nanay. Happy back in Japan? But in Osaka? Kunin na natin ang mga bag. And then it's all done. No, we're still going to our hotel.
Did you already see how far the hotel is or not yet? So we
I think
need
for-
to check how to go
Yeah.
there.
Bebe love, kaya pa? Kaya pa, bebe? Huwag ilagay sa ano, bibig ang kamay, bebe love. Ha? Kay uso biya daw influenza dito. Nag-open ang pintuan, hindi daw malamig, kunti lang daw. Bantay mamaya, maglabas tayo ha, maglabas tayo, huwag ka mag ano ha. So ito na nga. Yeah. I know not, yeah, just put it out. Dahil malamig sa Japan, guys. Labas ang mga Derich. Ang anak ko nagareklamo, bakit daw haba ng ano. Sabi ko, maglabas ka doon, tingnan mo, parang mga nakakomporter ang mga tao. Ayaw, tanggalin mo. May tag pa yung kanya. Galing pa yan Netherlands. Si Derich, yung, di ba, nagbili kami sa H&M ng pang-Japan niya, naiwan. Kaya bilhan natin yan siya ng bago. Yung parang ganito niya ba, blazer niya ba. Bilhan po natin siya ng bago.
You want anything in this bag?
You want this or not? Oh. So guys, tama na siguro mga chika. Tantanan nyo na muna ako. Bukas malalaman nyo saan tayo nagpunta. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We love you. See you again tomorrow kung hindi absent. Bye!